I wanted to show you the temperature averages and departures comparison from last year to this year using December and January only. Uh, Here you can see the orange line is last year's. So we got the dates down below here. This is December 1 through 31st and January 1 through 31st. The orange is last year, so basically December 2011 and January 2012 in orange. Then the blue is this year. We have December and then the first 6 days of January. The top line here is the averages. So it's the mean temperature, the average between the maximum and the minimum for each day. So just a random pick right here. It was the average temperature for December 11th was 32 degrees this year, blue line, in December. And the departure for that day was 5 below normal. So those are the lines, and then here you can see the bars. What these bars represent, the black bars here represent this year's snowfall. So basically it snowed on the 24th, the 25th, the 26th, and then obviously the bigger storm on the 29th. Then last year in orange, remember the orange is last year's, and you can see the legend down here. Orange, December 2011, January 2012, orange. So the orange snowfall was, this is January. 16th we had an inch, 17th we had 0.20, and the 21st snowstorm we had half a foot of snow. Notice there's no orange bars in December of last year. Did not snow at all. This year it snowed 4 times. There were a few traces in between, but I left the traces out for the purpose of this graph here. So, just real quick, looking at the average temperature for this year, it looks like we are more volatile than last year. Last year we were pretty warm. It was pretty steady. Mean temperature was 30s, upper 30s, into the 40s. You got the slow, steady drop at the end of December. But take a look at this year. We went from average of 40 to 54 to 32 to 51 to 26 to 51 to 32, 46 here, 24 here. We are basically going up and down with the temperatures. Might not seem noticeable, might seem warmer to you, might seem colder to some, but if you look at the departures, we're pretty much, beginning of December, we were pretty much above normal, but we went from 15 above normal to 5 below normal, 16 above normal to 8 below normal, to 18 above normal, back to normal, and pretty much fluctuating between normal and above normal. And yesterday we were 7 degrees above normal, also the day before. So it's interesting to see the comparison. Just to make a quick judgment about this comparison, last year seemed more of a steady warmth. This year we're kind of fluctuating from cold to warm more often, pretty much every few days. But yeah, in general, overall, I mean, if you take from the beginning of December to today, it's above normal. It's warm. We were snowier in December of this year than last year, so we'll see how the rest of January plays out. That's all I got.